So this video is how to get into the Foxy pre-sale before it joins, because we can see here it's already been listed on KuCoin, but it won't trade and starts at 8 o'clock. So whatever time you're watching at 8 o'clock this morning, it'll be, but you can't withdraw till 10. And why it's good to get into Foxy is because this is the first, as we can see, the first kind of premier culture coin or meme coin that's going to be on a linear. Because if you check my other videos where we're talking about memes, so I did a video just recently on the beginner's guide to memes and the risks and how to check for rug pulls and all the other things to check. But one of the narratives on how to select good memes is if you see there's a new layer one network, what is the meme that's going to be main? The first meme that's going to be on that layer one network, and Foxy is that one for linear. Plus, many people feel Foxy is linked to Metamask. Don't forget Metamask is a Fox. So, and there's different airdrops talking about if you use your MetaMask for a swap and things like that. So it's very bullish on the fact that it could be linked to MetaMask, and there's airdrops for people been trying to get in. But let me stop talking because I missed the last one I wanted to get. So by the time you join, some of these pools might have finished. So I tried to get 9,000, that's disappeared. Now this pool's available and I want to get 25%, but I need to get onto my linear network. So I've gone to trying to bridge Ethereum to linear. Let's see if I can confirm. I don't want no problems. So you can bridge it to the linear network. I think the fees are not too bad. What's that? $5. So I think is that done. So if I now go back to, and you can find Wells Pro is where we're doing the pre-sale, because we can see here you've got until settle ends 13th of so 13th till 8 o'clock is when you'll be able to, the market will open. I guess that's when it's launching. You can check the Twitter account for Foxy Linea. Check it's Foxy Linea because there's some Foxy armies, other fake ones. So check is the proper Foxy. And then let's see. So now I can go back and see if it will work. So let's see if I can connect my wallet again. Let me refresh. Hopefully that transaction time is not too long. Oh, I don't like this. Don't tell me this one's closed already. Ah, this is getting annoying. They're closing fast. But is it anything even in my fast, but this would have been, what's this one? 0.4, 0.3, 25. Okay. 0 points. I can get 25% for this one. This one here. So it's buying it at more expensive prices though, because that was the cheapest price. 25%. But as the linear, as it come through, because at least I think I found one that might work. 0.08, 0.17. Let's see this one, 0.7, 0.18, 0.2, 50%, 75%, 100%. So I think the most I can get. But anyway, this is taking long to come through. Let's see Metamask. Let's check the linear network. Does that come through? Hasn't come through yet. So, but that is basically how you're going to get it. Still bridging here. So we got to wait. But make sure we check my Telegram. So click the link below. Check the Telegram, check the other airdrops, because we're waiting for Stefana. Stefana's another one. That one raised 10 billion. I think today as well, the kitty with hat is going to drop. So we'll see how that one launches for anyone that got in the pre-sale for that one. We got Salala. That's still doing nicely. That's been like 7 days old. And the weekends have been really nice for crypto. Like when the stock market's closed, the weekends have been very bullish last few weekends. But I wonder how long this bridging is going to take. So that means by the time you guys see this video, I hope some of you will be able to get in, because we can see these are closing fast, Unless you've got high amounts of Ethereum, then they're closing fast to Ethereum. So let's see how far. Bridging. Transfer says receiving on linear. 21 mins remaining. Oh wow. So I'm gonna have to wait. But that's basically how you do it.